Hi guys, I'm Carl. Originally I'm from China more than 20 years ago. When I came to New Zealand, I wasn't able to find any job. So I started from right scratch, working as a cleaner, kitchen hand, etc. And later on, I returned to uni to study. And while I study, and I found a part-time job at Auckland Uni, later on, I found a full-time job at Uni Tech Library, working there for 15 years. And during those years, I self-taught myself to do property investment and managed to invest for a few properties. But I was doing it by myself and struggled a bit. And luckily, in 2011, I met Ron and I learned a good strategy from him. And from 2011 to 2017, I built a portfolio of about 14 properties. And now I think it's time for me to give it back to the like-minded people and share my knowledge and information. Now, since I have built up a successful portfolio and literally I have retired, but I would like to give back my knowledge to this group to help Ron and the whole group moving forward. I would like to share my knowledge and skill with the group and be surrounded by the like-minded people. Now, I have been coached in the last 4 years and I have taught about 60 students. They are all successful, non-failure. So I would like to help you as well.